Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how to configure the voicemail and what exactly are the setups that is required to enable the voicemail in our Amazon Connect instance, right? Before moving on, simple request to everyone to subscribe to the channel. 92% of the viewer who are watching this video are not subscribing to the channel. Request you to click subscribe button. And allows, as always, if you're coming from Google search, if you find this video useful, don't forget to give thanks, super thanks, and as always, like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so first of all, let's understand how to enable the voicemail. Voicemail is not out of the box solution, right? So if you search to the Google Amazon Connect voicemail, if you search, open the second link, right? First one anyway goes within and it says that that page is not available anyway. Earlier I also configured with this one. Now it appears there is something called voicemail express is available, right? So if I click over this one, you get something like voicemail express, which is version 3, right? So again, I have not used it so far. I will be configuring this one in our system, in our Amazon Connect, and see what exactly it requires. So before moving on, let's understand the concept of voicemail. Okay, so what is exactly the voicemail is? So so let's say there is a scenario where there is a customer and he is within the Amazon Connect, and let's say uh, your solution is something like that, or your product is something like that, where customer can place their request, and later on somebody from your contact center will approach the customer providing the solution to a particular requirement that he has mentioned. Okay, he or she has mentioned. So what exactly the process goes? So customers leaves the voice message, right, to Amazon Connect. Okay. So over here there is something called data stream where your audio get recorded, audio gets stored, audio get transcribed, and then it is informed to agent via email or via task. Now once users see or agent sees this, right, he gets the notification like there is a task or email. He see what exactly customer is asked based on the transcription done by the Amazon transcribed on the video, or sorry, on the audio, and then he can call back or do a email or whatever is required. So this is what exactly the voicemail solution is. Okay, now over here what they have given is two methodology. One is there is a prerequisite, right, and there is a installation process, right. So first of all, we will go through the prerequisite, yeah, over here. Okay, so first for this part, we are going to concentrate on the only on task, right? And we will see what exactly needs to be enabled. So first of all, as a prerequisite, it required to contact record streaming to be enabled. Okay, so let me go back to our Amazon Connect. Let me close this one. This is not required. And oh, very fast. Amazon Connect. And in that, where is the prerequisite? Yeah, so in this they are saying to enable the Amazon Kinesis data stream. Okay, so there is a document. So if I open this one right over here, so there is a document mentioned how to enable the data stream. So go to the contact flow page, blah blah blah. So I will show over here. So this is my instance, and over here they are saying to go to enable under the data stream, under the data streaming. Okay, so I have to enable over here. If I don't have anything, uh, enable firehose stream. I think firehose is not supported, right? Firehose is not supported, only I have to enable the data stream. So data stream, okay, and then from here enable the data stream, and then you have to create the data stream over here. Right now I have there's nothing over here, so let me create. Click on that link over there. So it is going to be long video. You can watch in 1.5x, 2x, or whatever you prefer, right? So it is going to be a data stream. I will create a data stream. I will name it voicemail. What? One second. What is the price? Shares and okay, okay, I can manage that. Okay, voice mail stream. Okay, on demand and capacity, blah blah blah. Create data stream. Anything else need to be add? Agent, blah blah. Server side encryption. Okay, so we have to enable the encryption also. Mm, it's enabled, right? Data stream is enabled, right? And if I refresh this page, maybe enable data stream. Now you will get voicemail over here, agent event also, this one, right? Now over here, click save. So your data stream has been enabled, right? So first part of your prerequisite is completed, right? Second is live media streaming must be enabled to retention period of 1 hour. Okay. So let's go and understand where this configuration is. So this is within the Amazon Connect, customer audio, blah blah blah. I don't think there is a specific page. Setting the depending on the settings. Okay, so nothing much to be done over there. Third pass is task enabled in channel setting, right? So basically under the routing profile for the agent, right? So let's go inside of your instance. So within the routing profile, they are saying add a routing profile, and in that routing profile, enable the task. Okay, so basically our agent, where is my agent? Routing profiles, and within the routing profile, so we will go with the basic routing profile, right? And in that task is need to be enabled. So this is available to the agent, right? And basic queue. Okay, so that is also enabled. Don't have to do anything special. And the fourth is assign the agent assign the routing to profiles. So just for the confirmation, we will go to the user management, and in that this user, I think that will be me, has the routing profile as basic routing profile. Okay, so everything from the prerequisite side is been completed, right? So all this four step is completed because we are now for this video we are concentrating on the task part. For the email we will create another video where we are going to use the SES. Okay, so now coming back to the installation part. So for the installation they have already given the prerequisite, right? So what we have to do, sorry, not the cloud formation template, we have to just click for our region. What is my region? My region is EU West 2. EU West 2. Okay, so we will launch the stack over here. Oh wait, oh, I think I forgot one step. Let's go back just to check. For setup for email delivery, voicemail to agent email, voicemail to queue. Oh, okay, so before that I have to do this one. Voicemail to a queue. I think we did that, but anyway, I will just confirm this part later on. Login time is administrator routing. Choose queue, select the queue you wish to modify, add a tag. Okay, so just in case we require that, so we will go to queue, and within our queue, so which queue we are, basic queue we are going to use, right? And in the basic queue, there is a tag. Uh, I don't think they mentioned something about the in the tag section. Create a new tag key of and the value of email address. Oh, okay, we are not using, so it is not required. Sorry, this is not for this one. Ignore this last steps that we did. Okay, where we were? This is where we are. Okay, so this is the existing, choose existing template. S3 is given. Let's see if this one has any issue or not. VMX3, that is the name they have given. Region is our, again, EU West 2. EU West 2. Amazon Connect instance alias. Okay, so what is our alias name? Go back. So this is our alias name. We will give the alias name over here. Okay, what is your Amazon Connect instance? ARN, right? So ARN will be again this once we click over here. So this is our ARN. So we will just copy this one and paste it. Okay. And what is the prefix Kinesis stream video associated with this stream, right? So we created the Kinesis and this is the its stream ARN. So we'll paste this over here. Oh, sorry, ARN will be here. Uh, Video stream associated with the instance. Video stream. Don't think we have video stream. I think this is the one they're looking. Just a second. Oops. Dashboard. Video stream. I don't think we have. ARN prefix video stream. Data stream we have. We don't have video stream. So you can find this in data storage. Okay. Data storage. Okay. Let's enable this one. Oh, I think this is the one of the prerequisite, right? Ah, so okay, this is one of the major steps that we forgot last time. Okay, so live media streaming, we enable the KMS encryption, enter KMS keys there by default, retention period, click save. So this will give me my live media streaming information. Okay, so we will put it over here. This is also done for the included AWS Lambda function. You should wait to okay info enabled voice as task mode. Yes. Uh, yes. Enable voice delivery as email when using. Yes. Uh, Before doing that, let me just go through the document. Verify the S3 URL you're deploying, then click next, update the stack instance. Okay. Complete the parameters. Okay, so we don't have to supposed to change all this thing. Ooh, what I changed? This will remain no. Mm, Should be yes, right? Okay. Anyway, uh, so S3 number of days, URL, blah blah blah. Okay, so right now we don't have this information because we don't have for the email. So email we are going to skip. Click on next. Tags. They might mention anything. Click next. So let's see if it works or not. Still in progress. So it took around how many? 2 to 5. So it took me around 3 minutes to get created. So everything is created successfully. Over here, you can see there are many things get created. There's a trigger, then there is IAM policy, then there is a Lambda, then there's a contact flow, and this is a core stack which got created. So everything got created successfully. We have this one as completed, right? So now we will follow the steps that they have given what exactly to do next. So these all steps are completed. Now what we will do is we will assign a test number to our this new contact flow. So if I go to contact flow, we should see a new call flow with the name of VMX3, right? So let's paste it over here, and you can see over here we have three call flow created. Okay, we will can see each of them one by one, and I think there is also one module also got created which gets called every time, which is most important or which is actually performing the functionality of voicemail. Okay, anyway, before moving over there, let's perform the task of which they have mentioned over here, right? Prerequisite we don't require, installation steps we don't require. Yeah. Okay, so it says go to the channel, assign a phone number. Okay, so we will assign a phone number to this one, BMX AWS test flow. uh, AWS test flow, this one. Okay, so we have already opened that one. Let's see what exactly it's doing. So trigger a flow, it's setting for some contact variable. It's saying this is a voicemail, and then it's saying press 1 for task delivery, press 2 for test guided task delivery, and press 3 for email delivery. Okay, 1, 2, 3. If it is 1, it goes over there, 2 is over here, 3 is over here. If it is, then press 1 for delivery of voicemail to an agent, personal queue, standard queue. Okay. So 1 and 2, 1 goes to personal queue, 2 goes to standard queue, which is a uh, by queue. So there is a new queue also. Okay, that's interesting. Dynamically user defined variable. Okay, what exactly that value is? Q is okay. So we have to set the queue. There is nothing been set. Oh, various things need to be set after this. Core module, this one, task flow, guided task flow. Okay. Anyway, uh, so we will set it as, so let's go one by one. Let's follow the steps. Don't jump here and there. Where is my channels? Phone number. I have one phone number enabled over here, and we will assign that phone number to this one. I have a phone number, right? Yeah, I had a one phone number. So this is a phone number, and this will go to VMX3 AWS test flow, right? This is what they want. Test flow, yeah. And click save. After that, Click save for voicemail guided task Amazon current. So we will do this testing. Okay. So if you have derived voicemail experience, you can validate the functionality by performing the following test. Dial the phone number, test and press 1, and the next menu press leave the voicemail. When you hear it, the value, wait for 2 minutes and blah blah blah. Okay. So before moving over there, what we'll do is before dialing the number, sorry, we will assign the queue. So over here there is no queue mentioned, right? Not sure why, but we will get the queue value. So this is our queue. Our queue was basic queue, right? Where we want to transfer the call, and how to go get the ARN value. Yeah, this one. So I will copy this one, come over here and give it to my test queue. Okay, click save, click publish, publish. I think this should be sufficient. Let's test it out. I have to logged in as an agent, so I will log in. Oops, as agent over here. I don't remember the password. I think is it this password? Yep, this is the password. Okay, I will be available. Yeah, available. I think. Okay, so let's dial the number and see what exactly is happening. Right. Do I have the phone number? Yeah, I have the phone number over here. Oh, no, I don't have the phone number, right? Oh, I have. Sorry. Sorry, 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 sorry. My mistake.
This is the voicemail express test
Hope you
flow.
can hear this.
It allows you to quickly validate the deployment. Press 1 to test task delivery. Press 2 to test guided task delivery. Or press 3 to test email delivery. Press 1 to test delivery of voicemail to an agent's personal queue. Press 2 to test delivery to a standard queue. Connecting to
Standard
the
queue
voicemail
selected.
flow. We will begin to record your message after the tone. When finished, you may hang up. Your voicemail will be saved and delivered to a representative.
So this is testing of the voicemail. We will see if the transcription is good or enough or not. We have selected guided task and queue to basic queue, call transfer to basic queue to the agent. Let's see if it works. Pressing hash.
Your voicemail has been saved. Goodbye.
Okay, so we have done the recording and hopefully it should come over here. So what we have done is we have selected guided task, right? And we have selected queue as an option, right? Where I should get the voicemail. Uh, the document says wait for 2 minutes, right? So let's see how long it takes to come over here. I will pause the video. Meanwhile, it comes over here. So it took around 2 minutes to come, right? So I accept the task. Uh, I have the voicemail available over here. I also have the transcript, right? So this is a testing of the voicemail. Oh, wow. We will see if the transcription is good enough or not. Wow, what a good recognition. We have selected guided task and basic queue, call transfer to basic received works. Oh, wow. The recognition is top notch, I will say. Okay. What information appears over here is voicemail to basic queue, description, that one. time, and over here contact ID, callback number. So this is the number which I called from. Wow, you're getting all this information. So yeah, this is all the information that you got over here. Task flow we don't have, test agent we don't have not set. So those details are also coming over here. And over here you can see the since we have selected the guided task. Uh, so that's why you're getting this page over here. Let's quickly go back and understand what exactly we did. We installed the cloud formation, right? Uh, Cloud formation template, which gives us three call flows and one module, right? Uh, in the call flow, we modified the, we don't have a task flow right now, right? We have not modified anything on the test agent side. We only modified this value to our basic queue ARN, right? So that we have modified, and this was already there, right? And anything else we modified? No. So we selected guided task and transferred to a queue, which is basic queue. Over here, we didn't modify. So these flows we will explore later on. I will try to modify or shrink this whole solution into a small one so that we can directly consume it rather than having their methodology every time. So I will close this, read the module. This is also not required. Yeah. So this is where we came, the module where we played this one. Your voice will be recorded, blah, blah, blah. We recorded the voice over here, right? Play prompt, wait customer for record. We recorded, and this is what it played. In the background, what happens is this audio or this stream get saved in S3, get converted into a text, and then triggered as a task by maybe somebody like Lambda or something. I have to see the architecture. Who is triggering? So this event trigger the uh, email and the task for us. So yeah, this is how we can configure voicemail task in Amazon Connect using this cloud formation template voice XML, voice express v3. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.